What's up, babies and baby dolls, and welcome back to my channel. Ladies, if you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I will be installing this fiery copper short frontal wig from LUVMEHAIR. If you would like to see how I got this absolutely gorgeous install, then continue watching. So this is the unit fresh out of the bag. Kind of scared to try this because I never tried this color, but y'all, look at this. It is so vibrant. It's a compact 4x4 frontal wig. It comes with the band already in there in case you want to do it glueless. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. The Swiss lace. So it will be easy for you to blend. And it comes pre-plucked. Also inside that other holographic package, it says LUVMEHAIR. They sent me a LUVMEHAIR tie, another elastic band, some bobby pins, and an edge brush. I'm going to start by doing my ball cap method. They sent 2 stocking caps. So yeah, but first I'm gonna try on the wig before I, put anything down. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Now I'm going to take this spritz, and I'm going to spritz this all over the front of the hairline. So for this part, I'm going to, before I cut my lace, I want to basically trace out the area of my hairline that I'm going to cut the lace, just to make sure everything is perfect. So I'm just going to dot. So now that I have this traced out and cut, I am going to put some concealer and foundation, well, just foundation on this particular part. And of course I'm going to go in and cut off this extra part of the ears. I just wanted to make sure that it's all the way down. I still haven't put any foundation on my cap or on the wig, but what I did was I traced out, see here where I kind of have a low hairline. I'm going to pull this just a tad bit more, and I may have to go in and do some extra plucking just to match my hairline. I don't want to be too much on my forehead. I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses, and I'm going to rub this all over. And as you can see, some of it came up, but I'm going to take my wig dealer spray and I'm going to spray that down. So now that I have my bald cap and the foundation and the cap, and the wig to give it a better blend when I put it on, what I'm going to do here is trace my hairline. So we're going to do this. We're going to bring it all the way forward. We're not going to press anything yet. You want to bring the center where I marked. You can kind of still see it, but you want to bring it forward just a little bit. And I want this part to match my hairline, so I'm going to bring it forward. And press it in. So before I cut anything, I'm going to go in with my wig dealer spray. So I'm gonna tie this down, y'all, just to help melt my lace. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my lace. And as y'all can see, I follow my natural hairline. So I'm going to go ahead and begin cutting my lace with this razor. Or in a zigzag motion. Okay, babe, so this is the final look with this fiery coppery wig from LUVMEHAIR. It is so soft and it has body. Look at this, girl. I love it. And it came already curled. I did not have to do any styling. I can play around with it. Get into the body of this hair. Look at this. So if you're definitely looking for a nice cute short bob but with some body, this is definitely the wig to go for. Y'all, came pre-plucked. The lace was super easy to melt down. Like, look at this. Look at it. I absolutely love how this unit turned out. This is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. This is a very vibrant color. I love it. I will leave the link in my description box for you all to go purchase these exact same units, because baby, it is giving. And that completes this video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video.